Hello everyone and welcome here on the second quick start tutorial for the new Gene 2.1. My name is Paul and today I will guide you from the beginning to your first generation quickly and without much explanation. Please follow my instructions carefully without much thinking. The detailed description is already in the deep walkthrough tutorial that is in the Gene 2.0 user guide playlist. All the tutorials that are placed here are valid and relevant also for the new Gene 2.1. Furthermore, there will be new tutorial just for the Gene 2.1 describing the function rating. You might bought the Gene directly from me, sending an order to my email and having it for the lower price, or on Patreon, selecting one of the tiers and becoming my patron, or on eBay. If you went to Patreon, you could select the tier $2 per month or tier $10 per month. On eBay, there is the listed item that you could buy it here or from one of my dealers. To run the Gene, you should have at least XL 2007 or newer one. If you do not have XL, you can buy it cheaply on eBay. To know more about the Gene, what you can do with it and how it can be used, please watch the Gene software features video. After your order and payment, you will get from me 2 delivery emails. Open the second one and download the package file and the Wave-like theory ebook that you got for free as bonus. Show it in folder, make it smaller, hide the email, and create in the computer in some folder or directly on the desktop new folder called Gene 2.1, that you have it always in front of your eyes. Open the folder, that we have it here, and move the files to this new folder. You can use the function the cut and paste as well. So now we have these files in the right folder, and then what you need to do is to extract the package file. So right click the package file and select one of the extract software like a 7-zip. You can click extract here or WinRAR extract here. If you do not have any extracting software, I recommend to download the WinRAR because the file was originally packed by the WinRAR. So go to winrar.com, click just for 30-bit version, click download, show in folder, double click exe file, click install. I will not do it because I already have it, but after that you will have it and it will be easy to extract. So when you have the WinRAR, right click the file, click extract here. Now you are asked to insert the password, so go to your first delivery email and select your unlock password. Copy the password, do not handwrite it because you can make some mistakes, and paste it into that. Now you got the software Gene 2.1 and the user guide that actually is substituted by these video tutorials and all these tutorials that are present on my YouTube channel. So here you have the bonus, the wave-like theory, that you can read and study and to get better knowledge about the theory and how the software was created. And here you have the user guide that you can use also, even we have these video tutorials, because there is a lot of information ordered in chapters and written in deep detail. So there are many functions and everything is really described here together with the new rating function as well. So this was the user guide, and now we will activate the gene. So what we will do is double click and insert the password from the first delivery email, and this is the Paul 2019 copy Excel password, and paste it. Click OK, and you can end up with the gray sheet. If this is your case, close the file, right click the file, select properties, and somewhere you should find on the general or security tab to unblock the file. I do not have this problem and do not have this option, but your tab can look like this, that you should unblock the file. So it looks like this. Click unblock and OK. After that, open the file, place the password, that is the Excel password, click OK. And now the Gene 2.1 and its interface is visible. You might end up that all these buttons or checkboxes are dead. When you click it, nothing happens. Then go to options, select Trust Center settings, go ActiveX settings and enable them. It can be somewhere here, so enable them. Macro settings the same, they can be disabled like here, so enable them. Click OK, and everything should be alive. If not, close it and open it again and it should work. Now we will activate the Gene software. Write your name, surname, email, font is optional according to your first delivery email. Then zip code, I will check it in the first delivery email. This is 60007, so there are the values. Read the license agreement here between me and you, and please click yes, I agree. Finally, insert the authorization code from the first delivery email, that is right here. Do not write it by hand, copy to avoid some typos and mistakes, and insert it here. Ctrl V. If you do not agree, the registration is not possible. If your authorization code is incorrect, also the authorization is not possible. So you should have it correct, and then the item is registered and saved. Close the file and rename it to Activated Original and keep it untouched. Then make copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rename it to My Lottery number 1. At this moment you should realize that both files are activated and registered to your name, so it's required to keep them safe from another use, or do not distribute it to the internet, or in this case you can get into troubles with law. Furthermore, now you can play with the copy and you can do some tests or something what you want without hesitation and without fear that you damage something. Because if you damage your copied file, you can make always new copies from the activated original. If you damage the activated original, then you can always extract the package file and make a new activated original and then create again the copies. If you lose the package on your computer, go back to your second delivery email and download again the package file and repeat the extraction and the activation. And finally, if you lose even the email, write me and I will send it to you for free after 3 days or after months, after 1 year. It doesn't matter, it will be always for free. So there are 3 levels or 4 levels how to get the file again, and do not to be afraid that you will damage. Now we will start the gene and first generation. Double click the file, place the password, click activate, select language, select skin you like. We are now doing the primary settings. Then select the game from 99 presets. For today we choose the Powerball, and the new function is rating. Select from 6 rating methods, from the softest one to the hardest one, in displaying absolute values or displaying percentage values. I will select the probability displayed by percentage. Select mode A or B for the first draw of the lottery, so we keep A, and select mode A-B for the second draw, we can select B. Then fill in other parameters. 10 for pass length, record 10 and 10, without explanation right now. And row 27 and column 2, it is a position where the interface will be printed right here. Count of previous draws for today we put 3, and this is the history of the lottery. It can be from 5 to 10 or the whole history to 1000 or whatever. The future draws we put 0 for today. Seed 1, whatever number you like. Seed 2, whatever number you like. It should be just the whole number. Recuperation put 0. Number of result 3. Swap, again whatever number you like, and swap to whatever number you like. They should be different one from the other and also different from the seeds. Now click the settings, and the filter, input box and output boxes are printed. In the meantime, we go to official website of the Powerball and we will find the last drawing days, actually 3 drawing days. So we go to past drawings and click search. Based on the date we get amount of previous draws. And here is the oldest one and the latest one numbers that we should put right now into the gene before we run the generation. So the oldest one is starting right here. So this is the oldest and newest numbers from the past to future. I will write it 8, 27, 44, 51, 61, and the second draw has number 14. Then we have 18, 42, 53, 62, 66, second draw 25. And the last drawing day has numbers 24, 29, 42, 44, 63, and 10. Now we can hide the numbers and enlarge the gene. We will activate the monitor to see counter speed, average speed, time, and also activate the autosave. Now we are ready to start it. Click start and see what is happening. The statistics are activated and compared, and we are already getting first results. The best results at this moment is result number 3 with this amount of percentage. Red snake is moving, is representing the online monitoring and number of hits during its running. The online monitoring is shown in the output box marked by M, and you see how the numbers according to the principle are running in chain, and there are comparison with the input box, and here are the predicted number. The best result is stored in the output box with number and marked by exclamation sign. So this is how you will recognize. And in the F column are the numbers that are used for the future predictions and that you can put into the ticket you will buy. Now the gene is running. We should make it faster. So disable all the monitoring, online monitoring, and switch to Notes tab. I don't know why, but because of Excel and Windows, it's really much quicker. And now let's check what speed we will get. So we got around 14,000 cycles, which is very good. We go back, and if you want to open another file or to do some work, you can pause the gene. Now it stops, and after that you can continue it. If you need to stop the generation and run it during evening or at another time or on another computer, just click end, check transfer, click save, close the file. Now you can open the file again at another time or on another computer. Click activation, setting, start, and it started from the last save point. And this you can do several times, it doesn't matter. So it's running, just you can see when I switch on the monitoring, then the snake is moving and it's running. You can again end it, open it somewhere else, and continue it as well. So let's give to Gene some more time. We switch to the tab for a while, that we see again the speed as it's running. There we got again around 14,000 cycles per second. The speed can differ based on your computer and processor. We see we have more than 500,000 cycles, and the average speed is around 4,000 cycles, but the maximum speed we got 15,000 cycles. It ran about 3 minutes. We got the best results number 12, and the number 12 is here, and we have still less. Using the rating by probability recalculate to percentage, we have still less than 1% of matches, but the total amount of matches is now here 5. So this value is different based on the selected rating method, as this is new in the Gene 2.1 software right here. So you are leaving the Gene is running until you need to buy the ticket before the next drawing day. When the time comes and the generation, click compare. Is just to see the waves also in other results, as there is result number 10, 11 and 12 is the best. These are the best latest results, and the number 12 at this moment is the best one. So we will take the numbers for the draw 1 and draw 2 from the F column, from the best result marked by exclamation sign. So I will just make them bold and highlight them that you see them. We will take these numbers from the best result and put them on ticket and wait how successful you'll be with your generation. When you are finished and the game is over, there is a new drawing day and new numbers from these drawing days. You will need to run new generation if you want. In this case, just I can save it again, so the file is closed. You can check the numbers, and then if you need to make new generation, open the file, insert the Excel password and uncheck the transfer. So the previous values will not be transferred for new generation. Click activation. All interface is cleared right now, and you can make new generation with another game or the same game. You can change the rating, skin, language, the mode. You can also change the count of previous draws and other parameters that are described in detail in other relevant and valid tutorials that are here in the Gene 2.0 user guide playlist. There are 34 tutorials, and all of them are relevant also for the Gene 2.1, except the quick start, because there is this new quick start showing also the rating function that will be described in this new upcoming video tutorial called rating. So that's all for today, and I believe that from now you'll be able to run the Gene easily and without any problem. Thank you for watching and your attention. If you missed something, just replay it. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, provide your feedback, comments, and I'll be glad for every like I will get from you. Join us on the Facebook page, groups. You can support me on Patreon or via PayPal me. The links are also in the description. And next time, see you on the third video tutorial for the Gene 2.1 called Rating. So stay tuned and have a great time.